To document hidden plumbing issues, take clear photos and videos of the damage before any repairs begin. Write down the date you first noticed the problem, and keep every receipt, inspection report, and written estimate in one folder so you have solid proof if you ever need to file an insurance claim or take legal action. Think of it like building a case file for a mystery you are trying to solve. Hidden plumbing issues often show up as small clues before they become big problems. Like a musty smell, a soft spot on the floor, slightly higher water bill, or a faint stain on the ceiling. Most homeowners do not realize that a moisture meter, which many hardware stores rent out for just a few dollars a day, can detect water behind walls long before mold or damage becomes visible. Once you notice a clue, take a picture with your phone's timestamp turned on, since that date and timestamp becomes real evidence later. Then write a short note describing what you saw, where you saw it, and how it has changed over time. If a plumber or inspector comes out, always ask for a written report, not just a verbal explanation, because verbal opinions are easy to forget and hard to prove later. One common mistake is fixing the problem right away without documenting it first, which erases the evidence you might need for insurance or resale disclosures. So always pause and record everything before repairs start. Another misconception is thinking a quick visual check is enough, when in reality, many leaks travel along pipes and show up far from the actual source. So it helps to trace stains and dampness back toward their origin instead of assuming the nearest spot is the cause. People also forget to check their homeowner's insurance policy before starting repairs, and some policies require documentation submitted within a certain number of days, so read your policy early instead of after the damage is already fixed. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts, and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.